One way to help get your knee straighter is to use a low load, long duration stretch. It's actually the most effective way to do this, not just for your knee, but for any body part. What we mean by a low load, long duration stretch is a gentle stretch over a long period of time. Okay? Not the typical quick, intense stretch for a few seconds. Okay? This is just a gentle stretch over a long period of time. And the way to do this for your knee with regards to getting it straighter, it's actually very simple to do. It doesn't require any fancy equipment. Okay? All you need is something to sit on. Could be a chair, couch, stool, anything like that. And then an object that is about the same height as whatever you're sitting on. So a coffee table, another chair, a stool work great. And then all you're gonna do is just gonna pop your foot up on that object and then just let your knee hang. You just wanna let gravity help let it hang and get straighter. Okay? Now what you'll see is that the table makes my foot go straight up and down, and this actually puts some tension on my calf. You might actually feel that muscle tightening up too because you're trying to prevent it from getting straight. But because my foot's up like that and there's a little tension on my calf, it actually keeps my knee from going all the way straight. So if I make it even tighter, you'll see my knee goes up like that. So the way we fix this is you just take a towel, roll it up, and you rest it under your ankle, and that just lets your foot relax. Okay? And then by letting your foot relax, your ankle relax, let your calf relax, and your knee can just hang and get straighter like that. Now, what I usually tell my patients to do is to be in that position for at least 60 minutes a day. Okay? That doesn't mean you do it all 60 minutes at once. I tell my patients to do it 20 minutes at a time, but do it 3 times throughout the day. Now, if that position gets really uncomfortable, and for some people it does get uncomfortable, just take a break. So if it gets really uncomfortable at 5 minutes, you take a break, and then you do it again. Okay? You're just trying to build up to that 60-minute mark in total. It doesn't have to be all at once again. Now for some people, this position doesn't give them enough of a stretch. They feel like they want more. Okay? And for that reason, I invented this product. It's called a Knee Terminator. Okay? It's designed specifically for this. But all you do is take these straps, Velcro them around your thigh, and around your lower leg, just below your knee. And then you would just put an ankle weight or a bag with weights or a circular weight plate. You just put it on there, and then it will give more pull trying to get your knee straighter. So that's just do this way if you want more of a stretch. But overall, regardless of how you do it, make sure you do it because it really is that important to get your knee straighter.